Hello, students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. We live in Nasik city, which is in the state Maharashtra, and the capital of Maharashtra is Mumbai. We celebrate many festivals in our state like Gudi Padwa, Holi, Dashera, Diwali, Navratri, Ganeshotsav, and so on. Have you been to another state? Means, did you ever visit to another state? Yes, most of you have visited to states like Goa, Gujarat, Rajasthan, Himachal Pradesh, and etc. to spend your vacations. How different was it from your state? Their food habits, the festivals they celebrate, the languages they speak, and etc. Students, India is a vast country and is divided into states. Let us learn something more about our country in detail. So let's start with the first lesson of civics, India. India is a vast country. It is the seventh largest country in the world in terms of area and is located in the southern part of Asia. Yes, here you can see where India is located. It is located in the southern part of Asia. It stretches about 3000 kilometers from east to west and about 3200 kilometers from north to south. Some countries are famous for mountains, some for the beaches. Many places have deserts and many others have big rivers. Our country, India, too has various landforms that make it unique and interesting. India is a unique country with different landforms. It is a land of rich geographical diversity. It means it has a variety of landforms. Students, observe the given map carefully. In some part of the country, we can see there are mountains, rivers, deserts, plains, islands, and plateaus. Students, you can also refer the textbook page number 2. We can see on the map that India is surrounded by water bodies on 3 sides. The Arabian Sea on the west, the Bay of Bengal on the east, and the Indian Ocean on the south. Students, observe the given map carefully. You can see that in India, the Himalayas lie in the northern part of India and the Deccan Plateau lies in the southern part. The western part of country is covered by desert and the eastern part has both plains and mountains. Landforms of India can be grouped under 6 divisions. These are the northern mountains, the northern plains, the Thar desert, the peninsular plateaus, and the coastal plains and the islands. India is also a land of rivers. Some major rivers of the country are the Ganga, Brahmaputra, Yamuna, Narmada, Godavari, Krishna, and Kaveri. The students in the class will make noise if there is no one to see that they maintain discipline. And if the classroom has a monitor, the children will sit quietly in the class. Countries too have monitors in the form of governments which ensure that certain rules are followed by the citizens. India is a vast country and it is difficult for only one government to take care of all its affairs, its works. Therefore, our country is divided into 29 states and each state has a government of its own. Thus, we have government at different levels, and those are central government and state government, and also local self government. What is a government? It is a group of people who govern the country, and the government that is responsible for ruling over the whole country is known as the central or union government. The central government of India is located in New Delhi, which is also the capital of India. It is headed by the Prime Minister and the President. Students, do you know who is the President of India and the Prime Minister of India? Yes, the President of India is Ramnath Kovind and the Prime Minister of India is Narendra Modi. The government of a state is known as the state government. It is located in the capital city of that state. It means the state government of Maharashtra is located in the capital city of Maharashtra, that is Mumbai. The state government is headed by the governor and the chief minister. Bhagat Singh Koshari is the governor of Maharashtra and Uddhav Thackeray is the chief minister of Maharashtra. Hope you all have understood what we have learned today. India is a big country and it is divided into 28 states and 9 union territories. We will learn about those 28 states and 9 union territories in the next video. Thank you.